an intentional nature to hurt somebody, hitting, slapping, punching.
From heroes to harassed, doctors and nurses in Tennessee are dealing with hostility, threats, and violence, and it's not going away. In fact, healthcare workers say it's happening more often. Reporter Jacinta Render spoke to a nurse who says after nearly 2 years of working on the front lines of the pandemic, this is not what they signed up for. Jacinta.
Yes, Beth, there are a lot of emotions in hospitals. Patients are stressed out because of illnesses, strict visitation rules, and just being in the hospital in general. And the pandemic made it even worse. Just 1 year ago, people were praising hospital staff for all of their hard work. Dozens of people filled the parking lots of East Tennessee hospitals to show their appreciation. But now it's a different story. Nurses say patients are both rude and aggressive.
Perhaps even more so with the pandemic.
Paul Raymond is a nurse manager at the Vanderbilt Medical Center. He says in the past, aggressive behavior was reported monthly, but now it's much more.
It's not uncommon to hear a story or two several times a day.
Raymond says it could have something to do with patients being stressed out.
And they're often looking to us for answers that sometimes are incredibly difficult to find and often not the answer that people want to hear,
resulting in violent and inappropriate behavior.
So it takes the form of cursing, touching, demanding, bargaining with providers. If, for example, if you give me this medicine, then I'll do this thing for you.
And even physical attacks. Tennessee Nurses Association says people are harassing medical workers and state leaders are taking action. Back in July, lawmakers passed a law making aggravated in-hospital assault against a nurse a Class C felony.
Rules we have in place, although sometimes seem onerous, have to exist because we need to provide safe care to these patients. And
hospital workers are required to report any acts of violence to the police. And when it does happen, hospitals like Vanderbilt Medical Center have an employee wellness program that supports staff members during these difficult times. Beth?
All right, Jacinta, thank you.